Hey everyone, this is a really quick review of the WEN air filtration system. So this is for collecting fine dust while you're doing woodworking or something like that. You still want a dust collector at the source, but this helps keep the air in the shop or the garage a lot cleaner. So we'll cover features, how to install it, and what I think about it. So the filtration system is basically a big box. It's model 3410. It's got 3 different speeds, 300, 350, and 400 cubic feet per minute. It's got all the controls up front as well as a remote, so you can set it on high, medium, low, and set a timer for 1, 2, or 4 hours. It's got an on-off button and a separate fuse as well. The cord is 7 feet long. I measured it. It was like just an inch or two shy. There's also a handle up top to help you either pick it up to install it, or if you don't want to put it on the ceiling, there are also rubberized feet on the bottom where you can set this, and then you can pick it up and move it around with the handle. And the handle is not geometrically centered, but it is centered on the center of gravity, so when you pick it up, you don't have to fight it. It's pretty easy from this single point. To change out the filter is really easy. You just undo these 2 clips and pull the coarse 5-micron filter out. It's got the product number right on it, and it's got an airflow direction reminder so you can put it in the right way when you reinstall the new one. And the fine 1-micron filter comes right out too. It's got a sturdy aluminum frame. It's also got the product number on it, and it's basically just 2 little felt bags, and then it's sealed by weather stripping around the edge, just like a foam gasket they've got on here. And there's also a screen to protect the motor and keep you from getting debris in there or your fingers in there. Mounting hardware is included with this. You get chains, you get hooks for the filter system itself, and then hooks for going into studs. The best way to install those I've found is mount a hook in your drill and then just link them together and screw it right in. It's pretty easy to do this way. To install the hooks on the top, you just need a 10mm wrench, and it's got a lock nut here, so just turn the hook to whatever direction you want and tighten it down. So operation of this is really easy. You got the remote, which works from upstairs in my house, so it doesn't have to be line of sight. It's got amazing range on this. You can turn it on with 1 button press and it goes to low. And you can keep hitting the on or the speed button, and it'll cycle through from low to medium to high. Then you can hit the time button, and it'll default to an hour. Hit it again 2 hours, hit it again 4 hours. So it'll keep going for 4 hours, whatever mode you have, or 1 or 2, and then we'll auto shut off. So that's a really nice feature, so you can turn this on while you're working. I usually set it to 4 hours. And when I'm done, I just leave and don't worry about it, and it turns itself off. That way any floating dust that's still in my workshop after that amount of time is still going to be captured. And the noise on this thing really isn't that bad. Even on high, it's way less than any tool that you're going to be using in the same space. So that's it on high. It is a little bit noisier than a regular box fan. But then on low, it's not too bad at all. All right, so I've had this thing installed and I've been using it for a while. I've got the outer filter here is easily accessible. You just got to get up on a ladder if you've got it up on the ceiling. You've got 2 clips, and it slides right out. And you can see this has caught most of the coarse dust going into it. That is loaded with dust right now. And if you want, you can extend the life of the filter by vacuuming it out with either a dust collector or a shop vac to get it clean in between when you actually change it up for a new one. So overall, I think this is a great unit. It's definitely enough for a 2-car garage. If you're working in a bigger area, you might want to think about investing in 2 of them. WEN does make a more industrial geared unit, but it's a lot more expensive, and you're almost better off just buying 2 of these and using them on the same remote. I think that's what I plan to do once I get more of my workshop set up permanently, is I'll get 1 of these at each end. So hopefully this review was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and once again, don't forget to subscribe.